Hi, welcome to this video. To tint your home screen icons in iOS 18, long press a blank area on your home screen until the apps jiggle. Now tap Edit at the top left corner and select Customize. Second option. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tap the tinted option. Right? Then use the color and saturation sliders to find your custom look. Okay, so like this, right? Or use the eyedropper tool to sample a color directly from your wallpaper. Right? In my case, I'm gonna just select a color of my liking. Let's say, all right, let's say like this, pink, and just click your home screen again, your home screen, and settings right here. The new settings will be applied. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.